Hey, how's it going? My name's Ebby, and I'm just going to quickly run through my cafe racer that I built. This is a 1978 Honda CB750, and I call it a SCRACER because it's sort of a combination of a Scrambler and a cafe racer. And what I did was I took a 1978 CB750, chopped the back off of it, put in a loop, LED tail light, fabricated seat for it, painted the tank. There's a fade for the Honda emblem, matte black paint. The rear wheel is increased in size. That's a Harley Davidson rim. Put new spokes, powder coated the wheels, the rims, the hubs, painted the engine, did some chrome detailing, did a Delkevic exhaust on it. Put a cage in front of the front headlight, chopped off the handlebars, the mounts for the handlebars. And that's pretty much it. It's a naked bike. The tires, I did want that kind of dirt road, off-road look. So what I did was I put on these Shanko. These are called Shanko Tubeless Trailmasters. They look really great. I'll put a link in the description for those tires. Anyway, that's my bike. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment in the description section, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.